learning to dress herself. Good morning. Come join our circle. If we do get people who keep coming in and we just make our circle a little bit bigger, that would be great. So here she comes. She decided that this month of February should be a whole month of love. Hi. She's wearing her Valentine's skirt today, but it's just because she wants to let everybody know how much she loves to come and play.